How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to replace these locks. I lost the key to this one and I bought myself a set of replacements with the new keys here, and I'm going to show you how to take this out and put the new one in. First step is taking this out, which I already started, and I undid this Phillips head screw which holds on right here with this little piece of metal. I undid that and I started loosening the bolt that holds it together with my pliers here, and I'm slowly getting that undone because I don't have a socket wrench that fits what I need. The biggest socket. Lock's off. You can get the new lock. Get that in place. Okay, got the new lock in place. Now the next step is to put the screw back with the little plate in place so that when you turn the lock, it will actually lock the door. Just need that threaded in there. Use your screwdriver to tighten it on. There you go. Got the new lock on. Closes fine. Let's try the key out. Works. Well, that's how you do it. Got the new key, the new lock, and the old one off. Gone. An old key, who knows? If someone found it, they'll never get in my cabinet. If they knew that's what it's for. Who cares? Anyways, that's really cool, man. Have a great day.